Good morning students, myself Mohan. Today we learn about the topic place value and place value. First you have to know what is place value. Value of the place in the number is termed as place value. The value of the place in the given number is itself the place value. Let us consider an example 256. You have to find out place value of the given number 256. First you have to take 6 is in the ones place, 5 is in the tens place, 2 is in the hundred place. Therefore, the place value of 6 is in the ones place. Therefore, place value of 6 is equal to 6 1 ja 6. Then the place value of 5 is in the tens place. Therefore, the place value of 10 is 5 10 ja 50. Then the place value of 2 is in the hundred place. Therefore, 2 into 100 is equal to 200. Therefore, the place value of 6 is 6. The place value of 5 is 50. The place value of 2 is 2 into 100, that is 200. In this way, you have to find out the place value of the numbers. Then you have to find out place value. What is place value? Place value is the digit itself. The given digit itself is the place value of the number. Let us take an example 567. You have to find out place value of the number 567. You have to write, so 7 is in the ones place, 6 is in the tens place, 5 is in the hundred place. So write place value of the given number. Therefore, as the place value is the digit itself, therefore place value of 7 is equal to 7. Then place value of 6 is 6 and place value of 5 is 5. Therefore, the place value is the digit itself. In this way, you have to find out place value and place value of the numbers. In Indian system of numeration, place value is represented in the form of ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores and so on. In Indian system of numeration, place value of the given numbers are represented in the ones place, tens place, hundred place, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores and 10 crores and so on. Let us write the place value chart for the following. So, place value chart can be represented by the place value chart. So, by writing chart, you have to find the place value of the given number. Consider an example 624. You have to write the place value chart for the given number 624. First you have to write the chart. Ones place, tens place, hundred place. Then you have to write the place value of the corresponding numbers. That is, ones place is 4, tens place is 2, hundred place is 6. So ones place is 4, tens place is 2 and hundred place is 6. In this way you have to write the place value chart. So 624 is in the ones place 4, tens place is 2, hundred place is 6. Then consider another example 8,946. You have to write the place value chart for the given number, that is 8946. So ones place is 6, tens place is 4, 100 place is 9, and the last 1000 place is 8. In this way you have to write the place value of the given numbers, that is ones is 6, tens is 4, hundreds is 9, thousands is 8. Therefore 8946. Next one, 92,285. You have to write the place value chart for the following number, that is 92,285. First you have to write ones place, tens place, 100 place, thousands, 10,000. Ones place is 5, tens place is 8, and then 100 place is 2, 1000 place is 2, and last one 10,000 place is 9. Therefore 92,285. Next, 5,86,936. 5,86,936. You have to write the place value chart for the number 5,86,936. So write ones place, that is 6, tens place, that is 3, 100 place is 9, and 1000 place the number is 6, and tens thousands 8, and the last lakhs place is 5. Therefore 5,86,936. Then introduce 10,000. We know that the greatest one digit number is 9. So look at the pattern. The greatest one digit number is 9. Therefore 9, if you add 1 to 9, then 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. 10 can be written as 10 1 ja 10. Then the greatest two digit number is 99. Therefore 99 plus 1 is equal to 100. 100 is equal to be written as 10 into 10, that is 10 10 ja 100. The greatest three digit number is 999. So 999 is the greatest three digit number. If you add 1 to 999, it will becomes 1000. 999 plus 1 is equal to 1000. Therefore 1000 can be written as 10 into 100. 10 100 ja 1000. In this way, here you have to observe greatest single digit number plus 1. If you add greatest single digit number is 9. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. 10 is the smallest two digit number. So if you add greatest single digit number plus 1, you will get smallest two digit number. Then greatest two digit number, that is the greatest two digit number is 99. 99 plus 1 is equal to 100. 100 is the smallest three digit number. So if you add greatest two digit number, that is 99 plus 1 is equal to, it becomes 100. 100 is the smallest three digit number. Then greatest three digit number plus 1, that is greatest three digit number is 999 plus 1, it becomes 1000. 1000 is the smallest four digit number. So if you add greatest three digit number plus 1, you will get the smallest four digit number. Similarly, you have to add greatest four digit number plus 1, you will get the smallest 5-digit number. Let us take the greatest 4-digit number is 9999. 9999 is the greatest 4-digit number. If you add 9999 plus 1, it will becomes 10,000. 9999 plus 1 is equal to 10,000. 10,000 is the smallest 4-digit number. 10,000 is the smallest 4-digit number. In this way, you will get the 10,000 by adding greatest 4-digit number, that is 9999. With 1, you will get the smallest 5-digit number, that is 10,000. Similarly, you can introduce 1 lakh in this pattern. The greatest 5-digit number is 99,999. 99,999 is the greatest 5-digit number. If you add 1 to this number, you will get 1 lakh. 1 lakh is the 1 lakh will be obtained by adding greatest 5-digit number with 1. Let us do some problems. First one, expand the numbers given below. Here some numbers are given. You have to expand these numbers. First one, 20,000. So 20,000 is given. You have to expand the given number with the place value chart or place value. By using place value, we can expand the numbers which are given below. First one, 20,000. Here it is given in numbers. First you have to write it in words, that is 20,000. 20,000 numbers should be written in the form of words. Then you have to write in the expansion or expand. You have to expand the given 20,000. 20,000 is in the place of 10,000 in the place value chart. Therefore, value of 2 is 10,000. That is 2 into 10,000. 2 into 10,000, that is 20,000. In this way, you have to expand the numbers. Then take next problem, that is 26,000. So here 26,000 is given. You have to expand the given number. So first write this number in words form, that is 26,000. Then you have to expand using place value chart. So first you have to write 0 is in 1 place, which is no value. Then 0 is in 10 place, 0 is in 100 place. Then 6 is in the 1000 place. Therefore 6 into 6 is in the 1000 place. Therefore 6 into 1000, that is 6,000. Then plus 2 is in the place of 10,000, that is 2 into 10,000, that is 2 into 10,000, that is 20,000, plus 6 into 1000, that is 6,000. If you add both is 20,000 plus 6,000 is equal to 26,000. In this way, you have to expand the given number in the form of place value. Let us take another example, that is third one, 87,365. 87,365. You have to expand these numbers by using place value. So first you have to write 87,000 365 in the word form, that is 87,365. Then you have to expand the given number by using place value. So 5 is in the place of 1, therefore 5 into 1. Then 6 is in the place of 10, therefore 6 into 10 is equal to 6 into 10, plus 3 is in the place of 100, so write 3 into 100. Then 7 is in the place of 1000, so 7 into 1000. Then last one is 8 is in the place of 10,000, therefore write 8 into 10,000. In this way you have to expand 8 into 10,000 plus 7 into 1000 plus 3 into 100 plus 6 into 10 plus 5 into 1. So here you are expanding the given number by using place value, that is 8 into 10,000 plus 7 into 1000 plus 3 into 100 plus 6 into 10 plus 5 into 1. Next, 38,401. So you have to expand the given number by using place value. First you have to write in the form of words, that is 38,401. Then you have to expand by using place value chart. So 1 is in the place of ones, therefore write 1 into 1, that is 1, plus 0 is in the place of tens, therefore 0 into 10, it is no value, therefore it is 0 itself, plus in 100 place 4 is there, therefore multiply 4 with 100, 4 into 100. Then 8 is in the place of 1000, so write 8 into 1000. And last one, 3 is in the place of 10,000, therefore write 3 into 10,000. The expansion form of 38,401 is equal to 3 into 10,000 plus 8 into 1000 plus 4 into 100 plus 0 into 10 plus 1 into 1. In this way you have to write the expansion form. Next one, 3 lakh. You have to expand these in the form of place value. So first you have to write 3 lakh in the form of words, that is 3 lakh. Then expand by using place value, that is 3 into lakh, that is 3 lakh. So 3 into 3 into lakh, that is 3 lakh. So the smallest 6-digit number is, the smallest 6-digit number is lakh, 1 lakh. So 3 into lakh is equal to 3 lakh. In this way you have to expand the number 3 lakh. Next one, 1,50,000. 1,50,000. You have to expand this number by using place value chart. So first you have to write 1,50,000 in the word form, that is 1,50,000. 1,50,000. Then you have to expand by using place value. Therefore the 5 place is 10,000, that is 5 into 10,000 is equal to 50,000, plus 1 is in the place of lakh, that is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Therefore 1 into lakh is equal to 1 lakh. Therefore if you add 1 into 1 lakh, that is 1 lakh plus 5 into 10,000, that is 5 into 10,000 is equal to 50,000. 1 lakh plus 50,000 is equal to 1 lakh 50,000. In this way you have to expand by using the place value of the given numbers in the place value chart. Dear students, let us take homework. First one, write the place value chart for the following. You have to write the place value chart for the following. First one, 65,634. Second one, 3,28,936. 3,28,936. You have to write the place value chart for the following. Next, second problem, expand the numbers given below. You have to expand by using place values. First one, 72,924. Second one, 9,28,651. So that's all for today. Thank you.